How to make a group in Character.ai app. So here's Character.ai app. You need to sign in and create an account, and I would actually recommend you to do it via a web browser, via website Character.ai instead of using mobile app, because mobile app is quite buggy these days. For some people it works, some people can't create a group chat. So you just tap create, and then here you just tap group chat. And then you need to add characters with who you want to chat. And then you need to add, I guess, at least one character, or maybe you don't even need to add those, but then you just add characters which you like. And then you also need to invite your friends, just share invite link from here. And this is important stuff that that your friends who are joining this link, they need to update the app to the latest version, because it's just not gonna work. Their invite link won't gonna work. Or you can just tap on the information icon, and here you can just add or remove characters, or you can invite your friends from here. So these are things how you can just invite those. And then then you can just just participate in this group chat. You can reset AI conversation. You can just enable notifications. You can delete group as a admin. You can change a group name. You can see members. You can remove members as an admin. These are just the idea. However, again, like in some cases, this functionality doesn't work. Some people can't create a group, and because there is some weird glitchy update for Character.ai app. So again, just try to use it on the website first, and make sure that your Character.ai is always updated, because it's like super buggy app. So again, some users can't create groups at this moment, but hopefully the issue should be fixed soon.